Convert2Media Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to all relevant products and resources are in the description. The Convert2Media Affiliate Network is a premium performance marketing platform that specializes in high-converting CPA, cost per acquisition, and CPL, cost per lead offers. Ideal for affiliates looking to work with exclusive offers and high commission opportunities. This network has a solid reputation, especially in the health, wellness, finance, and dating niches, where it excels at connecting affiliates with top-tier advertisers. Convert2Media is perfect for experienced affiliates looking to maximize their income with exclusive, high-commission campaigns. Features. Convert2Media offers affiliates access to a range of high-paying offers, including exclusive, direct-to-merchant campaigns not available on other networks. They provide a user-friendly dashboard, real-time reporting, and access to a wide variety of creative assets, making it easy for affiliates to launch effective campaigns. One of the standout features of Convert2Media is its personalized support, with account managers available to help optimize campaigns and provide insights into performance. The network also offers flexible payout options, including weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly payments, with a relatively low payout threshold of $50. Payments can be processed via PayPal, direct deposit, or wire transfer. Who is it for? Convert2Media is best suited for affiliates with a solid online presence and experience in performance-based marketing. If you're already running content-driven sites, email marketing campaigns, or have an established social media following, this network can help you scale your efforts. Niche marketers in health, dating, personal finance, and e-commerce will find many relevant offers here, especially if you are looking for exclusive offers with high payouts. Strengths and weaknesses. One of Convert2Media's biggest strengths is its exclusive offers and high-paying commissions, making it a highly attractive network for affiliates who can drive quality traffic. The personalized support and optimization tools provide a significant edge for affiliates. However, the network can be challenging for beginners due to its exclusive focus on performance-based campaigns and higher requirements for traffic volume. Additionally, approval processes for certain offers may take some time, making it less beginner-friendly compared to some more straightforward networks. Final verdict. The Convert2Media Affiliate Network is an excellent choice for experienced marketers who want access to exclusive, high-converting offers and premium commissions. With personalized support, flexible payment options, and a wide range of offers, it provides everything an affiliate needs to scale. However, it's not ideal for newcomers who are just starting their affiliate marketing journey. If you're serious about performance marketing and targeting high-paying niches, Convert2Media is a top network to consider. Check the description for sign-up links and recommended tools. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing insights.